Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic model of mesh grill in Autodesk Inventor software. So we will make it in two parts. First the frame, then we will make the sheet metal part. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch and we will select the exit plane. This will be the top plane. Rotate the view. From here select 2-point center rectangle and select this midpoint. Give the dimensions 120 mm, tab 70 mm. Okay. Now go to fillet command and give a fillet of 20 radius and select these edges. Similarly these edges. Okay. Now go to 3D model and extrude. We will take here a symmetric extrude, so select here symmetric and the dimension will be 70 mm and OK. Now we want to make a hollow profile here, so go to shell, take a thickness of shell of 8 and here select this face. It will shell 8 thickness here, 8 thickness here and 8 thickness here and OK. Now go to 2D sketch and from origin we will select the exit plane. Rotate the view. Now from here go to view, we will change the visual style to wireframe. Now from here go to sketch, projected geometry, select this outer geometry and go to offset. We will offset this profile, outer profile, enter. Okay. Now give a dimension of 2 mm. Okay. Similarly select this profile once again, enter, and again we will give a dimension of 2 mm. Okay. Okay, so this is the profile which we want. Now go to line command and here make one line, escape. The dimension from this end will be 2 mm. Okay. Go to trim command and trim this line between. Give the dimension once again from here to here 2 mm. Similarly from here to here 2 mm. Okay. Now go to trim and trim this extra profile, this profile also. To make it constraint, give here 2. Okay, and here also 2. Here also 2 and here 2. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command. We will select this inner profile, escape. Go to sketch once again, rotate, select all the projected geometry, this profiles, and make them construction geometry. Okay. Now only you can see this profile, this solid profile. Go to extrude. Now it will only select this. Take a extrude of symmetric extrude and the dimension here will be 60 mm. Go to view, change the visual style to shaded with edges and here we want to cut the profile, so go to cut. Now you can see a groove been made here for sheet, and okay. Now select this complete face, you can select, or go to 3D model, select the fillet. Here we'll select a fillet of 2 mm, select this edge, select this bottom edge, rotate the view, this back side and this side and this side, okay, and apply. Now we will change the color of this, so go to default, and at top you can see here we will select birch, it will look like a wood, and save it. I have already made this model, so go to new and we'll make it as assembly, short form assembly I have written. Now save it as name of frame and save. Okay, now we will make the sheet metal part. Go to new, here we will take this time sheet metal part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch, select the top plane, rotate the view. Here we will select the 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, make a rectangle of dimension 116 tab 62. Okay. These are dimensions as per groove. Now escape, select this edge and make it a construction geometry. Now go to fillet command. Here we will take a fillet of radius 18, select this edge and select this edge. Okay. Now we will go to sheet metal and select counter flange. We want the sheet to be inside, so from here go to flip side and the dimension here will be of 60 mm. Okay, change the view to home. Now you can see the sheet is going upward. You want a symmetric extrude here, go to mid plane and apply. Okay, now we have given a groove of 2 mm, so here we will change the sheet metal thickness. From uncheck this and mention here a thickness of 2 mm and apply. Okay, now you can see the thickness has changed. Now we will make these whole profiles. So we will first unfold this. Go to unfold command, select this face as a stationary reference, and here we will click add all bends and OK. Now it has making a flat pattern of this. Now select this face, go to create sketch and go to circle command. Make a circle over here of dia 5 mm. Go to dimensions. From top, the center point of the circle will be at 5, and from side edge it will be 5 mm. Okay. Now we will make a rectangular pattern. Go to rectangular pattern, select this circle, go to direction 1 and select this top edge. Okay. Now here the count will be of 28 and the center to center distance will be 7.8. Go to direction 2 and select this, flip the direction, and here the count will be of 7 and the center to center distance will be 8.3 and OK. Now you can see the complete pattern. Now go to 3D model and select extrude command. Go to front view. Now select this complete profile. Rotate. As you can see, it's extruding outwards. So from here we will select cut and OK. Now you can see the cut profile. Now we'll fold it back. So go to fold or go back to refold. Select this as stationary edge face, and here again we will select add all bends. Go to home. Now you can see it is changing back to the bended profile and OK. Okay. Now we will give it a color. From here you can give it a gunmetal. Okay. Now save it. Save it as sheet and save. Okay. Now we will make the assembly. So go to new. This time we will take a standard assembly in millimeter and create. Now go to place. Go to your folder. First we will place the frame. Open. Place it over here and escape. And rotate this view. Click on this edge. Now we'll make it a constraint. As you can see, it's moving. So go to view first, change it to cool light. Okay. Now go to assemble. Open the origins of frame and open origin of assembly. Now go to constraint, select YZ of assembly and YZ of frame. Here click on flush and apply. Similarly, XZ of assembly and XZ of frame, apply. XY of assembly and XY of frame and apply. Now this is fully constrained. You can see if you drag it in any direction, it will not move. Now change the view, go to view, visual style and change it to shaded with edges. Now you can see the edges properly. Now go to assemble and go to place. Now we will place the sheet metal part. Open. Place it over here. Escape. Now go to constraint. We'll select the rotate first. Inside face of the groove. And we will select the sheet metal part. We will select this face of sheet metal part. Okay. And apply. Rotate it. Similarly, exit from this, drag it downwards. Now go to constraint, select this top face of the sheet metal and this inner face of groove. This will be the inner face of groove. Okay, apply, rotate it. Now you can see this movement is left, the upper movement is constrained and this backside movement is constrained. Only this movement is left. So go to constraint, rotate the view, select this inside face of the groove and select this face of sheet metal and apply. Now you can see it's fully constrained. You can't move anywhere. So this assembly is complete. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.